can I start?
Just wait a minute. Suman, please close your.
The student who has joined with Suman, please switch off your video.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So-
We start.
Okay, just wait a minute. Before starting, few rules. I will say 3, 2, 1 start. You need to start at that time.
Yes, sir.
When it's done, you say done. So I will stop the timer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Keep your
I need to get done and show the solve tube, no?
Yep. When I say start, you need to start solving. Keep your cube in front of the camera so we can see it completely. Yes. If you are comfortable in this position, then it's okay. If you want to keep your hand downward, just put your camera a little bit down. Okay. No issues. So should I start? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Yes, sir.
Please put your cube little bit upward so we can see. Yep.
Yes, sir. I wanna do this.
Please make your cube visible. We can't see.
Yes. Now.
Done.
Great.
Okay. Nice.
1 minute 19 seconds.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Next.